Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Rahina and today we have a very special guest with us, Insha. Our fits are giving opposite sisters. Today we are at PNCA. आज हम shoot करेंगे एक बहुत मजे का podcast. We're going to talk about breakups and how you move on or you don't, like I don't know. But it's a very juicy topic. All of my kids who are watching this, please 18 साल से बिलो हैं तो मत देखें, मतलब देखना है तो देख लें।
हम बातें करने वाली हूँ।
अच्छा मतलब नहीं guys, this is for everyone and if my mom ever watches this, please don't. मतलब उनको सब पता है तो like खैर।
Are you sure?
अच्छा shut up. So
Discuss things.
have you ever been in a long term relationship?
You know I have.
अबे तुमको नहीं पता ना, किससे हम बातें कर रहे हैं?
Yeah, the longest I've been in a relationship was 2.3, 2.2, like more than 2 years. It was a big deal.
Yeah.
How long was yours?
Mine was, I feel like I've been in 2 long-term relationships, but I would only count my latest one because that was like almost 3 years. And it felt like even though time, I think हमारा काफी कम था, but it was more serious. Like it was super fucking serious. I think same with you, है ना?
Yeah, it was more intense and more.
The intensity not even started.
Yeah.
But हाँ. Okay, so both of us are not in a relationship anymore. So how did you deal with the heartbreak? And
I think so many things were happening in my life at that time already, and so many new things were also happening. So I was just trying to keep myself occupied and meet friends and take one day at a time and see how things go and not give myself that pressure to be fine in a day as well. That helped. What helped you? Sobbing.
I think first week तो मुझे पता ही नहीं था मेरा breakup हुआ है. मैं literally denial में थी. Like I feel like I was actually in denial for almost a month and I couldn't accept it. उसके बाद फिर it started to hit me कि अच्छा ठीक है. और फिर मुझे I don't know, like it was kind of weird.
Yeah, I relate. Because I think the first time I felt it was when I met my ex after the breakup. I was like, oh, this is no longer.
Yeah.
And because there's so much familiarity and there's so much comfort, there's so much knowing each other that, it's weird to navigate post-breakup relationship and how do you become strangers overnight?
How long after your breakup did you meet them?
After a month.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
I did not meet my ex for like 3-4 months, but I still would see him around. So मेरा तो different thing था.
Yeah.
And so it was just like so, like very denial types and पता ही नहीं क्या हो गया.
How do you see yourself being in a relationship with someone else? Or do you conceive? Have you thought about it?
I feel like I've met a lot of people after that and every time मतलब अभी तो नहीं, but this is like शुरू का time, the breakup थोड़ा fresh था and I would meet people and I felt like I was cheating on my partner even though we were broken up, but it still felt like oh I was cheating. And then it did not feel natural. It felt like ये कौन ऐसा सा इंसान आ गया मेरे सामने, अब इससे मुझे बात करनी है. Oh my god, अब मैं इससे क्या बात करूँ?
Yeah.
बहुत foreign सी feeling थी. एक चीज़ थी that helped, but तुम्हें आना है वीडियो में? Guys देखो breakup करो वरना ये हो जाता है. खैर अब बता रही
This
थी.
guy is giving the birds. So many birds.
Birds are like flies, but for giants.
I love birds. I think I've found this new profound love for eagles. I think they're so
इसके दोस्त बन गए 2-3 ईगल्स, बिल्कुल ही गैलरी पर रोज मिलने आते हैं इससे.
My father used to give them food. Do you remember? Have you ever been there? जब वो
नहीं.
It's crazy. जब आप कुछ देते हो ना उन्हें तो वो because they're
वो जो
also
फेंकते तो यूं उड़ रहे होते हैं.
yeah, but they so आप जब दे रहे होते हैं ना वो आपके करीब से snatch करके जाते हैं. So it's like slow moment. You see their paws grabbing the food, and they're also very fucking smart and strong. They're really fucking strong, and they remember things and people. Yeah.
That's
So
why this eagle remembers you, I think.
तो हमारे पुराने घर पे so that house was बंद for 2 years. तो उधर ना फुल ईगल्स ने कब्जा किया हुआ था. एंड व्हेन वी मूव्ड तो ऑफ कोर्स वो हमारे घर के अंदर नहीं आ पाते थे. लाइक वो पूरे गैलरी में सोते होते थे. और हम जब नीचे वैन देखने के लिए अगर अपना सर निकालते थे ना, दे यूज्ड टू लिटरली कम एंड हिट ऑन द हेड. मुझे आज तक नहीं लगा. आई थिंक माई सेंसेस आर रियली स्ट्रॉन्ग, क्योंकि एक ईगल लिटरली आई थी एंड आई सॉ हर paw just like trying to hit me and I just
ये टेबल टेनिस अच्छा
dodged it.
खेलती हो ना तुम, इसीलिए.
और मेरे अब्बा के सर पे मारा था, मेरी अम्मा के सर पे मारा था, भैया को लगा था. एंड ऑल ऑफ देम मतलब एक चीज़ का हैमर हैज हिट यू सो स्ट्रॉन्ग.
ब्रेकअप से ईगल से पहुंचने गाइस. ब्रेकअप के बाद ऐसी हालत हो जाती है एक्चुअली. तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हाउ आर यू डूइंग अभी? तुम अभी कभी कंसिडर करती हो कि डू यू वांट टू गो बैक टू लाइक
I feel like
back to the same person, or if you are open to dating again?
I feel like I'm just not ready to be in a relationship. And yeah, I think I just want to be. I think dating or like going out with someone on a date, I think that would be fun. That's something I don't mind. But it's also like यार पहली date अपनी मुझे. I remember I used to like first dates, but now I feel like it's a process. You have to be
Exhausting
so
होती है.
patient, and you have to be so
Yeah.
like you constantly have to like keep the conversation going, and you also have to make the effort.
That's so true.
तो फिलहाल तो मेरे अंदर वो है ही नहीं कैपेसिटी. So yeah.
मेरी भी थोड़ी रन आउट हो गई है. मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा लोगों से अब मैंने अपना स्मॉल टॉक इंट्रोडक्शन.
And she also doesn't know how to. She's like a people pleaser, so she cannot like ghost people or like not reply or like she's like वो उनको बुरा लगेगा मैं कैसे नहीं reply करूँगी.
That is so true.
Yeah, वो मुझे नहीं होता है. Just like currently a
She-
stranger by.
यार हाँ, मैं भी अब ये करूँगी. अजीब, मुझे फजूल में बुरा लगता है. बट आई फील लाइक आई डोंट नो, मुझे बस दोस्त बनाने का इतना शौक है कि भाई अगर वैसे नहीं काम करा तो हम दोस्त तो रह सकते हैं ना. ओके, तो आई टेल माइन. आई थिंक बस शादी करनी है गाइज.
So true.
अच्छा, मुझे ये है कि आई थिंक आई नो आफ्टर लाइक द रिलेशनशिप एंड उसके बाद जो मेरा फेज चल रहा है, आई रियलाइज व्हाट आई लाइक. आई नो व्हाट आई वांट इन अ पार्टनर एंड आई नो वेरी क्लियरली व्हाट आई वांट माय रिलेशनशिप टू लुक लाइक. तो अभी आई एम सो पर्टिकुलर अबाउट इट कि अगर थोड़ा सा भी poor and hardworking, तो that's okay. Like if he's hardworking, तो sure, because you know, like I'm also poor.
No, I meant
Poor as in
it checks all your boxes except that he like not poor, like financially struggling.
that's okay. I don't really care about finance.
Yeah, honestly, no. I feel
Really?
like there's so many issues in life. Like there's so many problems in life already. Being at a financial like, yeah, it's like the added trouble.
मुझे ये डर लगता है कि sometimes what if I like my vibe matches with someone so well but I'm not attracted to them, तो मसला ये. But then I realized कि if I
Like physical attraction?
Physical
You know, I read
attraction.
this post and it was so true because in 10 years of your life, you do change a lot. And like there are certain things that we don't talk about because what if somebody is your type and in the 5 years they change, they completely change and they do not look the same and that's something you're physically not attracted to. So how do you go about that?
मतलब फिर उससे शादी करना जिससे आप पर्सनालिटी वाइज वाइब करते हो.
ये फिजिकली अट्रैक्शन अगर तुम्हारी खत्म हो गई है.
यार देखो, मुझे नहीं पता. आई फील लाइक यार एक बात बताऊँ, मैं बताती हूँ बात. ऑनेस्टली नो ऑफेंस टू एनीवन इफ दे आर वाचिंग दिस, बट one of like I dated someone and I think they changed a lot, like their body changed a lot throughout our relationship,
And like that.
I was still attracted to it. Like I couldn't care less about the baldness or I don't know if these things are okay. If it's okay to say that. But so I was completely fine with all of the changes. And in fact, it's weird. मुझे तो वो like that was the only thing that like that would work for me. उसके अलावा nothing would work. Like you could show me the hottest guy and I'd just be like the fuck, disgusting.
And
ऐसा
you
feel हो
sound
गया था.
that bad.
And dad bod मैं कहती थी. तो यार ये होता है.
Huh, I think when you're changing with the person, so it doesn't really affect that much.
Yeah.
Some people it might. Yes.
मतलब मैं तो हॉट ही थी तो मतलब मेरा तो कोई चेंज नहीं बना.
Yeah. जब मैं उस दिन अपनी शफलिंग की पिक्चर देख रही थी और मेरे को थिक है.
Bro, तुम your head to toe you were so thick.
हाँ.
अभी तो मॉडल फिगर हो गया है तुम्हारा. Like Victoria's
पहले
Secret.
नहीं था.
नहीं पहले था. पहले you were like a thick. You were hot but you were also thick. अभी you're like Victoria's Secret model.
और with a lot of deficiencies and health problems. Right?
So true.
Not
मैंने भी
recommended.
अभी विटामिन डी का टेस्ट करवाया अपना और हाँ. लेकिन एंडिंग क्रेडिट्स करते हैं about like relationships. तो what is there any advice you would like to give to a younger generation? जैसे हम तो बड़े experienced हैं.
Yeah, I feel like people rush into relationship and they are really bad at communication, including me. I think I've learned from my partner. I think that's the biggest lesson that I've gotten from the relationship is that how to communicate and how to reach to a person so that they understand you. Because you can speak all you want, if there's no understanding between the two people, it doesn't really work out. And so much shit happens in like life in general, and the burden and the expectations and the what do you call it, the fall of it sometimes does come to the relationship. So yeah, there has to be more conversation about in what capacity can the partners be there for each other. Yeah, that's all the wisdom from me.
So wise, guys. Please take notes. From my side, I would say, matlab live and let live. Actually, just date a lot, and then you will know what you want and what you don't want.
true.
Like go out on dates like
Go
all
out.
the time.
It helps to know yourself as well. It's only when you have met really bad people that you realize what it means to have a
Yeah.
good partner.
ठीक है.
Guys, मैं बहुत pretty दरक दिखाऊं.
Oh yeah,
See,
guys.
as-
Oh yeah. Guys, let's all Insha fit check. That's her Kathak fit. आज हम आए थे pictures लेने, and that is the darak. This was it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed our video. Please keep watching Rahina and keep sending love. By the way, my tattoo.
Share, like, subscribe. और क्या होता है? Bell icon, notification,
yeah.
everything.
Turn on your bell
Guys, मेरे
notifications.
muscles देख रहे हो?
दिखाओ.
नहीं नजर आ रहे इसमें.
Guys, मेरे
Gross
muscles
gym
देख
नहीं
रहे
हूँ.
हो. Never mind, नहीं है मेरे muscles. But guys, I did I dyed my hair red. If you guys can see, it's actually, you can't see, never mind. Bye guys.
Bye.